Hello guys, may bagong feature ang panagla-live ko. Ito oh. Ito guys, bagong feature niya. 'Di ba ito yung face on, face off. Tapos ito yung sounds mic. Ito yung pag gusto mong mag yan. Ayan, retouch on, retouch off. Tapos kung halimbawang mag-highlights ka, ito yung box. Ito yung bagong feature nila, ito. Kung pag pinindot natin yan guys, yan parang yung by video on, video off. Yan, pag in-off natin, lalabas yung screen lang, no? Screen logo. So, pag in-off natin, pag in-on natin, babalik ulit sa live. Yung motion. So, yun lang guys. Thank you very much. Yan ang bagong feature ng YouTube. Bye-bye. Thank you.